Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the printer with the error code 0x000000BBB. Operations could not be completed, unable to create a print job. So it is usually caused by a combinations of factors such as connections errors, faulty hardware, or outdated printer drivers. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So once na-open mo na tong services, at dito sa services local, at dito sa right side ay kailangan lang i-locate dito yung print spoiler. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then i-locate mo lang dito yung print spoiler. So select and then double click. And then dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa general, at dito sa startup type, so i-select mo lang dito yung automatic. At dito sa running ay click mo lang dito yung stop and then wait natin. And then dito sa service status and then i-click mo lang dito yung start and wait natin ulit. And then after, i-click mo lang dito yung apply and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the printer troubleshooter. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooter. So click mo lang yan. At under dito sa most frequent, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung printer. At dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run. And wait natin na ma-complete. And then madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So nandito lahat yung step-by-step method and procedures and complete information details kung paano natin i-fix or i-resolve yung printer troubleshooters and error mga kaibigan. So kailangan mo lang i-follow dito, and then after dito sa help and support and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to update device manager. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on a start menu and then select mo lang dito yung device manager. And then once na open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung print queues. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then dito sa print queues, and then select mo lang dito yung printer na ginagamit mo. Okay, so for example, itong HP LaserJet. So kailangan natin itong i-update yung kanyang driver. So select and then right click. And then itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And then may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin, like search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. At select mo lang dito yung search automatically. And wait natin. And then the best drivers for your device are already installed. And then after dito sa device manager, and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix printer with the error code 0x000000BBB. Operations could not be completed. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.